Hola people, welcome back to my channel Life Science. Fantastic. I know many freshers struggle a lot with job applications. So I thought to make a quick video on this topic and clear your doubts. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. When applying for a job, do keep in mind 1. Create a professional email ID. Do not go for funky or crazy names. Upload a good profile picture for that email account. Keep this email ID only for the job application purpose. That way you won't miss any important mails from the recruiters and you can keep a good track and follow up with the applications. 2. Search for appropriate jobs on job search engines and apply only and only after you properly read the job description. Here by appropriate I mean check whether you are eligible for that position or not. You can do that by reading the job description and the qualification requirements. For example, if the position is for the wet lab person or wet lab practices, and you are a fresher with bioinformatics degree, then please do not apply for that job because you are not a proper candidate and that would leave a bad impression on the recruiter. 3. Application via email. If you are applying through email, then please keep these points in mind. 1. Always mention the subject. Do not leave the subject line blank. For example, at least write job application for dash and dash position. So the recruiter gets an idea that you're applying for that particular position. 2. Keep your email messages short and simple. That is, you should always start with a proper greeting like greetings for the day, exclamation mark, enter, then Mr. and Miss, their name, or you can write like the hiring manager followed by the organization or the company's name. 3. Next is the body of your message. That is, keep it short and simple and don't forget to mention from where did you get the information. And 4, give a proper closure by thanking them and write your name. 4. The most important one, do not forget to attach the cover letter and your CV or resume. Cover letter is mandatory in some organizations, so it is always better to attach it with your CV and resume. 5. A connection or a personal message might help. If you think you are the best fit for the role, then connect with the recruiter on job search engine and leave a message regarding your application. See, the recruiters get too many applications, so it is always better to highlight your application via message. And if you're applying via email, then don't forget the timings. The best time to apply is like 9 to 9:30 in the morning, that is AM, because your email will be on the top and there's a high chance that the recruiter will check your application first. These were some tips and tricks for all the freshers out there for the job application. I hope you won't forget them in your next application and you'll get your job soon. And I also hope you like this video. So please share it with all the freshers out there. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye, guys. Doodles.